Tennessee on the D21 So it looks like he's just about ready to go. Kelly Peace out of Herndon, Kentucky on the International Entry Call Plan B. All right, folks, got just a little bit out of shape. Obviously, he did cross that white. All right, folks, I think they just got that tractor back together last night or early this morning, so first run out. All right, folks, one thing we have not talked about tonight, each competitor does have 2 measured attempts. If they do not, is going to be his distance. Richard Taylor and the family tradition. Right there, nice one for Richard Taylor. All right, as we said, each competitor does have 2 measured attempts right there. All right, here we go. Austin Underwood out of Braidable, Tennessee on the Farmall entry called the Blazin Binder. All right. All right, Bill was on a nice run going down the track. Had some kind of out of Braidable, Tennessee on the orange and dangerous 220 Alex Chalmers.